This is the video where I talk some hard truth. I reveal the winners of the challenge that just took place on my YouTube channel, and you could find that challenge in the playlist. I'm going to reveal winners by spinning a wheel based on that Get a Client challenge. And I'm also going to reveal the winners of the last 5 videos where I told people comment, like, subscribe. You could win $200 per video for the last 5 videos. So you're going to want to pay attention and not skip through this because maybe you won if you've commented or if you've been partaking in the challenge. We'll get to that in just a little bit. But let's talk cold, hard truth. Now, I'm not here to, try to be a Tony Robbins and motivate people and like roo rah rah. I'm here just to tell you that if you want the things that you think you want, then you need to be willing to work for them. I talked very, very hard truth in the video that I just popped up there about what is needed to succeed in this business. Now, one of the things that I'm also going to reveal in this video toward the end is something new, something that we just put together, and I'm excited to release it to you today as of shooting this. And so you're going to want to pay attention, but most importantly, you're going to want to be in my free resources section called Future Agencies in the Skool community. There's now over 6,000 people in there, and I'm going to be adding a lot of resources to that. A lot of the free resources that you can find on my YouTube channel are all listed in that Future Agencies Skool group. So please be sure that you do not miss out on a lot of things coming that have happened in the past and going to be coming in the future. So pay close attention, like, subscribe, and comment. One of the things that you're going to notice is a lot of people always want templates. They want scripts. They want shortcuts. And although that is great and does absolutely help, it is important to always make things your own. For example, in 2014, I actually bought Sam Ovens' coaching course. I think it was called The Blueprint. I can't remember exactly what it was called, but I only bought it for the script that he was using. I took that script and I made it into my own language, renamed it called the Viper Sales Script, and give it to all of my coaching students, as well as in the free resources. I believe it's there as well. But what I didn't do was copy it word for word. I took the script, I edited it to make it mine and feel like mine and my personality. And then I gave it to other people to do as they wish. Matter of fact, that script is used on the phones every single day. There has probably been over $100 million of closed sales between agency sales and coaching sales. And all of my coaches have taken that script and made it into theirs. So although I give away a ton of free stuff, do not copy it word for word. Make it your own. See, that is one of the first things that you need to do for yourself, was to have confidence to know that, okay, I can take something that might not be mine, but I can make it mine because I have my own personality. I have my own feeling, and certain things that may have said in this script, I don't want to say. So I tweak it and change it to make it more comfortable for myself because I am me. And so I encourage and urge all of you to, when you're starting a business, start a business in your own personality. Take the free resources, take the scripts, and make them yours. It is extremely important because that is what's going to separate you from all the other copycatters out there. I mean, how many things have been copied over and over and over again? And the people just use it the same way they get it and never make it their own, and they just sound like a robot. So my number one point here is, take the free stuff and make it your own. I also want to point out that, yes, we had 600 people join the challenge. 155 that I can see actually did something. And so what's that rate look like? In this industry, we always talk about the success rate. Oh, if I sell you a training, what's the actual success rate? You can't measure that because it's not apples to apples. I can't force you to watch these YouTube videos. I can't force you to do the action steps. I can't do that. And so, we get asked a lot on the phone, what's the average success rate? Like the success rate of what? The success rate of people who are actually doing something, or the success rate overall? Like, you can't answer that question. And so we don't. And so only you can answer that question. How much work are you willing to put in? How big is your why? And what are you willing to do and sacrifice to get the things that you want? Because that's what it's going to take. And so as I have wrapped up this challenge, and I have been extremely and pleasantly surprised and happy of the turnout. 155 people taking action out of 600 actually is a very high number. I didn't even think it was going to be that high. So that was awesome. And again, if you're new to this channel, please check out the playlist and go through the challenge yourself. You can actually go through it a lot faster than most people were able to now because they were waiting for the video. So matter of fact, maybe if you even went through the challenge, you could also go through it again and rewatch it over and over and over again. Then here's what I highly suggest that you do. Watch this video to the end because what I'm going to release is going to be extremely beneficial to a lot of people. And if you signed up for GoHighLevel under my affiliate link, you definitely want to watch this to the end. But before I get to the end, we got to go through the middle. And the middle is going to reveal the 5 winners of the challenge. We're going to spin. And it's also going to reveal the 5 winners from liking and commenting on the videos over the last 5 that I posted. So first, let's get to the fun part. Let's jump on and spin the wheel. All right. So this probably wasn't explained good enough. A lot of people had questions about this. So essentially, I took 3 groups, just started their agency, 1 to 3 months and 3+ months to make it fair. I took the top 10 in points of each one of these groups. Then I took the 10 that I randomly selected that completed at least 2 submission forms, and then another 10 that completed 3 submission forms. Okay. And so again, they were just randomly selected. And then I grabbed 50 names, all those 50 names, and dropped them into this wheel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin. And so the first spin that we're going to do is free access to our coaching program. So let's go ahead and spin that and see who is the winner of free access to our coaching program. That is going to be Tony Machem, it looks like. All right, so Tony Machem. I will be sending emails to the winners here. And if you don't claim it, you don't claim it, okay? So I'm going to remove him because he won. Now we're going to go free one-on-one call with Jason or myself, see who's going to win that. The winner of the free one-on-one call is going to be Alex Misios. Congratulations, Alex. All right, now we're going to do the Apple iPhone. Let's see who's going to win the Apple iPhone. Let's see who the winner of that is. And it looks like it's Louis Camarina. Hopefully you are in the US. Now it's going to be Apple iPad. So let's see who's going to win the Apple iPad. And the winner of the Apple iPad is Michael Masters is the winner of the Apple iPad. And lastly, the bag of $1,000. We'll wire it right into your account or PayPal it, whatever you guys want. We'll ask the winner. Let's see who the winner is. It looks like the winner is going to be Carlos Castillo. Carlos Castillo, you're getting $1,000. Now, let's go ahead and jump on my YouTube channel. All right, so we're going to start with, we're going to pick a winner. This is one of those turning points that so I'm just going to randomly scroll down. Here, this is how we do it in our coaching program. I close my eyes and just scroll wherever it stops. All right, looks like Gregory Scott. Gregory Scott, if you claim this, is $200 for you, okay? We'll go to the next one. Here, you know what the best way to do is? Let's just jump right into this playlist right here. Go to the Get a Client Challenge. This is one of those turning points that you've heard. And now we'll go to the next one. All right, it's going to be at BSTER007. You're the winner of $200. Let's go to the next video. Dominica, right here, whoever this person is, $200 for you. Let's go to the next one. This person here, Ganesh Shuk 7029, reach out to me. You won $200. Cody Walden's Adventures, $200 for you. Contact me to claim it, and then you're building an agency. We did this. All right, Vaughn Sanders, $200 for you. So if you are watching this, you can claim it. If you don't claim it, you don't claim it. Okay, that's why I told you guys to pay very close attention in this video. All right, and so that concludes this. Now, what I want to do is I want to jump into my announcement. So let's do it. Okay, so here's my big announcement. So as you guys know, I run future agencies. There's 6,300 people in here. This is where the challenge was being held. If you go into the classroom, everybody had access to the challenge. Everything in this product is all free. And then if you join under our GoHighLevel affiliate link, you get our full-blown GoHighLevel training course. Matter of fact, I'm actually redoing a lot of the stuff to be completely up to date. Not done yet, but I should be done by the end of January. And if you join GoHighLevel under us at the $297 level, you get a bunch of bonuses over here. I don't have to explain all that. And then if you get it under the $497 level, we have a Upwork Mastery, LinkedIn Mastery, and Cold Email Mastery, okay? Now, as you can see here, I have a GoHighLevel branded training. That's the one I'm redoing. That's going to go here. That's going to be for everybody who joins GoHighLevel under us, okay? Now, a lot of people have come to this channel and got into the free resources and said, James, I'm under somebody else. Whether it was a mistake or not, doesn't matter. I can't switch. I've already built this business in here. However, I would love to have your GoHighLevel training courses, or I would love to have the bonuses, or I would love, to have that prospecting, whatever it might be. Matter of fact, then we're always going to be adding stuff to this. And so what does somebody do? Well, you have two choices. Okay. If you're a coaching student of mine, you get the whole thing. You get everything. There's nothing that I offer my YouTube audience that also doesn't go to my coaching students. They get all of this and a hell of a lot more, okay? So if coaching is what you're looking for, then my shameless plug would be 100% come into the classroom, go over into the free resources, and go click this that says local marketing vault. I explain everything here, and then there's you can book a call right from in here. That would be the if money is not an issue, or you have more money than time, or whatever it might be, you can't supplement good coaching where there's a community. You can't supplement that with free. You just can't, okay? Now, if that is not on the horizon, I want to show you guys what we're going to be offering that is brand new. We're going to be offering something called Marketing Agency Essentials. If you look at the classroom, it's going to be a course here and then our GoHighLevel training. So this would be for somebody who can't fall under us for GoHighLevel. Now, if you are under us at the 297 level, you're going to get access to this. All right. Now, if you cancel GoHighLevel, then you're going to be removed from this. But this community here will be people who are either, number one, under us for GoHighLevel, or number two, you'll have the opportunity to, let me go over here. You'll see at $118 a month. Okay. Essentially what our commission would be for GoHighLevel. Now, here's the special announcement. Before I get into that, let me show you. You're going to come to a page that looks like this, by the way, when you look for the link down below. But before I get into exactly that, let me just show you what we got going on here. So this is what this course is. We used to sell this course for $2,000. It was the essential course. It was the foundations to building an agency and getting to like one client. That's what we used to sell it for years ago. Now, a lot of these videos were redone to be up to date, and the ones that didn't need to be redone, like information videos, are the same ones that we've always had. This is a great, great, great foundational course. As you can see here, business overview, I have intro to local marketing, agency setup, business phone, email, your why, mindset, case studies. Then we have services, the 3 categories of services. Again, Baby Yoda. So this is now taking that challenge, okay? Because the challenge is condensed into whatever I could put on YouTube that I knew people would condense. Now this is now taking that challenge and all the stuff you will learn in that challenge and kind of going deeper on each one of the topics that we talked about. So that's services and choosing your niche, then getting your first client. Again, we talked about arms reach and double tap, but going deeper into it. How to close your first deal. So now we're going to get into sales and the CQI and the trial close and the onboard, the retainer close, all that good stuff. Some of this stuff I didn't have time to go into. Providing the services. Again, it's going to be about rep management and GoHighLevel. a little bit training on the Go High Level, sub accounts, uploading lists. And then finally, week 6 will be upselling the services, business goes, routine, establishing routines, how to get referrals, building a team, building a 6-figure agency, outsourcing your services, and then how to get to the next level in your agency. Okay. And so that is what this is going to be. What the big announcement is outside of that. Oh, and then you have obviously the Go High Level training, which is, tons and tons of trainings in here. Lead gen, message marketing, rep management, core trainings, and higher end trainings. Okay. So you'll get all of that. What I love about our Go High Level training is the ability to learn Go High Level, but only what you need to know and not wasting your time learning all this stuff that will not move the needle for you. Okay. That's what I love about that. So now we have the option to get a full-blown extended challenge training. Everything you learn in the challenge, but extended. And then also Go High Level at $118 a month, or join Go High Level at the $297 level and automatically get it for free. What I am going to do now is, this is, like I said, the big announcement is I'm going to change this. I'm going to go jump into settings, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to make you guys a deal here. I'm going to set the current price. The $118 a month is going to be the standard price. But for a limited time, I'm going to make the $79 per month the limited price. Now, if you jump in at $79 and you last a month or two and then you come out, it'll be $118 when you jump back in, because this $79 is going to be good for 1 week. And then it's going to go to $89 for 1 week. And then it's going to go to the regular $118 a month, which is still a great deal for everything that you're getting. Now, the cool thing is the longer you're going to be on this subscription, you're going to have additional trainings unlocked, or bonuses unlocked, I should say. For example, we're going to have, if you're with us for 3 months, we're going to give you our LMV live, or live recordings. One of them has a recording of Jordan Belfort and a ton of student successes where people went out off to create $1 million agencies, and they came back and spoke to our students. They were students of ours and came back and spoke. All those recordings will continue to unlock, and we'll be adding more trainings the longer you are with us. Okay, so that is going to be the deal now. You're going to get a foundational course in the Go High Level training at $79 per month right now. And so that's the option for people who couldn't join Go High Level under us. Okay. And so I get this question every day. I want the trainings. I'll even pay you. And we didn't have it set up, so now we do. It's going to be good for 1 week. So on Monday, the 22nd, it's going to go to $89 a month. And then the 29th, it's going to go to $118, and it's going to stay at $118 for the remainder of the time. So you can get grandfathered in at a lower price if you stick with it. All right. And so that was my big announcement. And you can head over to the Future Agencies School group, and there will be a post all about this that I'm going to post in about an hour. So by the time this video is live today, you'll understand exactly what to do. Go join the free resources section, and you'll get all the information that you want. Guys, I want to thank you, each and every one of you who were in the challenge, submitted all the information you need to submit, and even those who maybe didn't care about the submissions and still went through the challenge. I have gotten more great feedback from this challenge than I have in the last year from my YouTube channel. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys. And it motivates me to do this again. And so maybe in the near future, we'll do it again. Or maybe what we'll do is we'll just use the same challenge videos and release the ability to win prizes. Maybe that's what we'll do. But either way, you need to be and should want to be in my Future Agency School group down below. Like, subscribe, comment. Who knows? If you comment and like this video, maybe I'll pick one more winner from this video too, considering that this is the extended bonus video of the challenge. So yeah, let's do that. I'll pick a winner as well. $200 to randomly pick somebody who likes and comments down below. Appreciate your time. Thanks a lot. And until the next video, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.